Hello and welcome to the walk round video for this 1984 Mazda RX-7, which is offered at the Pavilion Gardens Buxton sale on Wednesday the 7th of July 2021. With only 80,291 miles from new, it's offered in barn find condition following a long-term period of storage. Running and driving, but in need of some recommissioning, the Mazda is offered with a history file containing the original stamped service book presented in the Mazda wallet. Offered without reserve, this RX-7 is an exciting and worthwhile project.